In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple Google Sheets at once. This is perfect when you need to compare budgets side by side, copy data between files, or keep several projects open for quick reference. I'll walk you through a simple, repeatable process that works reliably in any modern desktop browser. Start by heading to Google in your browser. You'll want to be signed into the Google account where your spreadsheets live, so you see the right files and options. Once you're on the Google homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Google Apps Launcher. It's the small grid of 9 dots next to your profile icon. Click that to open the app menu. From the menu, click Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets homepage. Here, you'll see a row of templates at the top and your most recent spreadsheets below. If you already know which file you want, you can open it directly from this screen. Otherwise, to get started quickly, click the blank option to create a fresh spreadsheet. Either choice is fine, the next steps are the same. With a spreadsheet open, move to the top left and click File in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over New and then click Spreadsheet. This creates a brand new Google Sheet and opens it in a separate browser tab. That's the key to having multiple sheets open at once. Each time you select File, hover over New, and choose Spreadsheet, another tab opens with a fresh sheet ready to use. Repeat that action as many times as you need. Each new selection gives you another sheet tab, so you can quickly build a workspace of multiple spreadsheets. You can click among the tabs to compare values, paste information across files, or reference one sheet while editing another. If it helps, rename each new sheet right away by clicking its title at the top left, so you don't lose track of which tab is which. You can also drag your browser tabs to reorder them, grouping related sheets together for easier navigation. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, open Sheets, start with a blank or existing file, then use File, New, Spreadsheet to spin up more sheets as needed. Repeat the same action to open as many as you want and organize the tabs to match your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.